Sandali, meron pa pala.
Sponsor pa.
Pahabol pa pala naman sa'yo.
May advertisement pa.
I'm sure that this is the perfect time for you to clean what we do. Okay, halika na. Dali Dali lang.
Sanitary. Ay, bigayan na. Ang dami naman talaga niyan ah. Baka may isa pa.
Countdown pa. Countdown pa. Para magsusobra.
Eh, sa camera kayo tumingin.
Eh, sa camera daw.
Siyempre. Ay, ba't madilim?
Siya naiiyak eh.
Madilim.
Kasi mukhang malaki yung bill na babayaran ko. I know I've been a,
Paano ba ito liliwanag?
basta kumuha ka lang. I know I should have done this before, but because it's not about confused, but I don't know where to start. But I really thank God for you, honey.
Hindi nakikita ng camera yung luha eh.
And if the Lord gives me another chance to live or to be reborn again, I really don't want to miss na hindi ka uli makilala. And again, given the chance by God, and you know, loobin ng Panginoon, loobin ng Panginoon.
Wow.
Would you marry me again?
Dapat may ilaw. Hindi nakikita yung luha eh.
Kiss! And also for Lorena's family, maraming salamat. I know, sorry for the word, but I know I've been a jerk since we got married hanggang sa dumating ako dito, but I thank God for at least you still opened your doors for me. Especially kanila Kuya Raul, Kuya Rene, kanila Dico, kay Ate Larissa, kanila Linda, kay Nora. And I know like maybe at the back of your mind before, like kung pwede lang na, you know, ipahunting ako sa Pilipinas, ipaon ako ng buhay, something like that. But,
Di pa huli.
I really am thankful. I really am thankful that you still supported us.
Dapat may pakapipa to
And
Ayan.
also, yung mga nag-support sa
Maliwanag
amin in
yan.
prayers, thank you very much. Sa God is Love family, you've been a big part of our lives too. And ngayon sa River of Praise Tabernacle, you opened the doors for us for be a member of that for the church. And to all the friends, siguro a special mention, we didn't know, we didn't expect talaga darating sila Lulu eh. But I thank God nandito sila Lulu. And also wala yung mga ka-office mate ko, it's only J and D who's here. You can swallow that, J, it's okay. My office mate in Metro. And just one request from all of you guys, if by so happen that slip of the mind, dumaan lang kami sa inyo, sa isip ninyo, just you know, say a little prayer for us.
Oh, kiss naman.
Just say a kiss.
Kiss. Iyak ulit, iyak kasi hindi na ako kanina eh. Iyak ulit, iyak.
Sige, kain na ulit. Kain na ulit.
Okay na.
Nawalang gana na kami.
Okay lang, okay lang.